What up, Tribe Nation? Welcome back to another video. What? Welcome back to another video. What up, Tribe Nation? Welcome back to another video. Today we are putting stickers on our cars. So basically, I wet this, clean it. Alright, wet it with soapy water. Cleaned it with a microfiber. Then wet it again, put the sticker on. Left it to dry, squeegeed out the bowls. And we're ready to peel off the sticker. Thanks to my brand new filmer I just hired. Her name is Kylie. She might make a YouTube channel soon. Beauty by Kylie. My bad, dude. Sorry I didn't show you guys anything before, just after, and peeling it off. That's about it. I didn't want to bore you with the process of putting it on. But as you can see, yesterday we did these on the wheels. It's just a little white ink marker for the tires on every wheel, so it kind of makes it pop more. Got these little carbon fiber door caps, mirror caps. Newest addition is the black grill, as you guys may know. That next is going to be the black roof. Tinted windows already, of course. Other side. Interior, carbon fiber. But yeah, stay tuned for all the other videos. We're not done yet, but stay tuned for all the other videos. More like that. Modification videos, car stuff. Yeah. Cheese. This is my first time doing these.
Correct.
Honda Civic, what? Yup, you got it.
There's like a turbo sticker right here. You got the tires with the wires. You got the license plate right here.
I'm trying to show off my license plate. You're gonna find me and kill me. All the people that's watching this. You don't know?
I thought it was a Hellcat. I was wrong.
You thought it was a what?
A Hellcat.
It's not.
Somebody told me it was an RT.
It is an RT. It's, you know, RT stands for road and track. Alright, now for some adventures, I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm about to do something though, alright?